Replacing a garage door can seem simple, yet it hides intimidating complexities and potential hazards. Garage doors aren't just for access. They serve vital security, insulation, and aesthetic purposes for homes. Handling heavy panels and springs during a door replacement can lead to severe injuries for the untrained. Each garage door operates through intricate components that must be installed flawlessly to avoid future issues. Misalignments during installation can result in jamming doors, excessive noise, and frustrating operational failures. Many homeowners overlook the danger of tension springs, which can cause serious injuries without proper handling. Professional technicians have the expertise and tools needed to ensure seamless integration with existing openers. Attempting a DIY replacement can result in costly mistakes like incorrect measurements and improper track alignment. Safety is paramount when dealing with heavy doors under immense spring tension that can lead to accidents. Relying on professional services brings peace of mind, guaranteeing efficiency and reliability for your garage door needs.